keyboard, bitch.
Down it, I do what I did it, I does it, I pull up, I do it again. Yeah, shawty gon' suck on my dick in the back of the whip, and she bringing a friend. I don't got love, I don't got.
So what's up guys, I'm back with another video. Right now I have this mechanical keyboard. I just bought it like yesterday, an unboxing video of it because I was just too excited to like check it and stuff. There is the box. I'm gonna show you the box and everything. You get like a few more switches with the keyboard, but I didn't get them. I just got these two like key removers, so that's all I got, and like this instruction book or so. Besides that, let's get back to the keyboard and let's review it. I'm gonna tell you my thoughts about it, how good the keyboard is, how bad it is, what disadvantages and advantages do you get from this. So without getting any further, like, move on to it. Okay, I really like the T-Dagger Bora keyboard. The sound is really beautiful and amazing, so I just have to get this. Like, I'm gonna show you all of the lightning effects and RGB effects, but let's talk about how good it is for gaming. So when it comes to gaming, it is really good. Like, I play Fortnite. I used to play with a membrane keyboard. I've gotten 10 times better at the game, so it might be an advantage for some of you guys as well. It is only $50. It's not even like expensive or anything, so anybody can afford it. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys a few of its lightning effects. So by pressing Fn and the ins key, the effect changes. So here it is, the full RGB version, and it's like, now it's just different random colors. Now when you press a key, it will like light up, the whole row will light up like this. And let's move on further. This one is quite cool as well. Not a big fan of it though, but it is quite good. This one is the most favorite, I think, effect of all time. And okay, this one is pretty cool. You like press one key and like the whole keyboard lights up like this. It's like press Fn and escape at the same time. Wait, let me do it. I have to pause the video pretty soon. Okay, so it like gives you just one color if you press Fn and escape, and if you want to change the color, you have to press Fn and delete. It will change the color. It's RGB now, it's full red now, cherry, it's green, it's blue, it's golden now, it's purple now, and this is my favorite one, aqua. It's also known as light blue if you don't know. So hear the sound of the clicks and typing again. So that was my review for this mechanical keyboard. I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys in the next video, I guess now. So yeah, bye.